This video will show how average function in Excel works in different cases. It will also show how results will differ if we enter the values in argument as reference rather than typing it directly into the list of arguments. So stay tuned! Our first case is when there is a zero value. These are the sales from January to June, where February has no sales at all. What would be the average in this case? We can use average function by typing equal sign, then average, and inside the parentheses are the values. This time, we will enter the range of cells as a reference, which is C4 to H4. The result is 19. The other way of doing it is to type equal sign, then average, and inside the parentheses, you have to type directly the values. The result is 19, same with the first method. Now let's check how the results came up. If values are entered as reference, all the values are added up, resulting to a sum of 114. All the 6 months, including February with zero value, will be counted, resulting to a count of 6 observations. The average is 19. We have the same result if we type the values directly to the list of arguments. Now let's go to the second case, where there are 2 months with text values. In the argument is a reference. Average will be 18.50. While if we type directly the values to the list of arguments, the result will be an error. Let's see how average function works in this case. When values are entered as reference, those cells that have text values, such as no sales in February and April in our example, are simply ignored and not added. The sum of values is only 74. February, where we have text value, is not counted. Same situation with April. Therefore, we only have count of 4. The result is an average of 18.5. As we already observed, the second method will return a value error. Our third case is when there are logical values such as true and false. The first method will give an average of 18.5. The second method will give a smaller average of 12.5. Let's see why the results are not identical. In the first method, average function simply ignores those logical values, resulting to a sum of 74. Those months that have logical values are not counted, resulting to a count of only 4. The average is 18.5. In the second method, the month that has logical value of true has a value of 1, while the month that has logical value of false has a value of 0, resulting to a sum of 75. All the 6 months will be counted this time, resulting to a lower average of 12.5. Our fourth case has numbers in double quotes or text that can be translated into numbers. The first method will give us a result of 18.50, while the second method will give an average of 24. Let's see how the two different results are calculated. As usual, the first method will simply ignore any text values and not added. Those cells that have text values are again not counted. This gives a result of 18.5. In second method, 30 in double quotes is considered as actual number of 30. The same thing also happens to 40 in double quotes. Both of them are added with other numbers, resulting to a higher sum of 114. Both of them are counted as observations, resulting to a higher count of 6. The result is an average of 24. The last case is when there are blank cells. The average is 18.50. Average function simply ignores those blank cells as part of sum values and also as part of count observations, resulting to an average of 18.50. If you enjoy and learn a lot from this video, give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more updates. For more videos on statistics, click these end screens. Thanks for watching!